Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 9T and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and here let's scroll in order to find additional settings. On the very first position we've got date and time, so let's enter, and here we've got some options which we can customize. So firstly you can decide if you'd like to use network provided time and time zone. If you'd like to set it manually, just turn off both options, and date, time and time zone options right now are active, so you can freely tap on it and by swiping choose the date you want to use. So for example this one, remember to confirm it with OK, and tap on time, and the same situation, just by swiping you can decide what the time you'd like to currently use. So for example this one, let's tap on OK, and as you can see it is immediately activated and applied on the status bar. The same situation with the time zone, just tap here, tap on the region, and here you've got the full list of available time zones and regions from which you can choose. So simply find it and tap on it. And as you can see it is also immediately applied, but be aware that if you are doing it manually, if you are changing it manually, then the time will also change according to the time zone, so remember about that. And under it we've got the time format, so here you can check and choose the clock format. We can tap on it, and here we've got the auto option, which is right now activated, so it is based on the system language, but you can also set 24-hour format or 12-hour format. It's obviously up to you which option you'd like to use, and let me pick for example 12-hour format. As you can see it is also immediately applied to the status bar. Here you've got some options for the dual clock, so it means that you will show the dual clock when a current time is different from that on the second clock, and here you can choose the region for the second clock. Obviously you can turn off or on this option just by tapping on the switcher. It's really up to you which option you'd like to use and if you'd like to apply it or not. So actually this is how to change date and time, and obviously you can go back to all previous default settings. So in order to do that, just tap on use network provided time zone, use network provided time, just turn on those features and get back to the time format and the auto option. So actually that's all. This is how to change date and time in your Xiaomi Mi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.